Parle UP East and Central presentation. A salute to the one-time dusting boy who brought joy and pleasure to the millions. The journey of Parle begins with Mr. Mohan Lal Dayal, the one who wholeheartedly followed the spirit of the 1927 Swadesh movement, founded the House of Parle in 1928 and our first factory set up in 1929 with just 12 people making confectionery, the choice of nation. We baked our first biscuit, Parle Gluco, in 1938 that served the citizens of tomorrow. In between 1941 and 45, we introduced Monaco, India's first salted cracker. With the independent India, we leaded the technology with India's longest oven of over 250 feet long. The nation found a new way to enjoy cheese snacks with the launch of Cheeselings in 1956, which prided nation with gold medal World Selection Awards at Brussels. Parle gets a whole lot sweeter with our confectionery range expanded with Kiss Me in 1963 and Poppins in 1966. Parle is the first Indian food company to win Monday Selection Award for 4 successive years. We launched Chocolatey Melody in 1983 and India's first Mango Candy Bite in 1986. In 1981, India's largest selling biscuit, Parle Gluco, rechristened to Parle G. We are growing with India and on Indians. We are a symbol of quality nutrition and trust across generations. In 2011, Nielsen survey declared Parle as world's largest selling brand of biscuit, Bharat Ka Apna Biscuit. Here is a list of our 12 depot name. These depots are located in Kanpur, Gorakhpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Lucknow, Amethi and Ayodhya. Here is a list of our 12 depot name and their respective owners. We proudly announce that all depots of UP East and Central are ISO 22000-2005 certified. This is possible only with the unconditional support of Parle Corporate Office, Parle Management and full team. We present to you the brief look that have been put in by all of us to make a vision possible with UP East and Central team. Here are some work done in CFA in following areas. Here is a detailed chart for service range of our DCs. On gross, UP East and Central team provide service to 745 wholesalers with farthest wholesaler distance of 410 km to Kanpur Depot 1. The lowest population serviced ranges from 2,600 to maximum 8,000 people by Gorakhpur Depot 2. Here is a detailed chart for dispatch efficiency by each depot. On gross, UP East and Central sales is 125 crore with highest sales value of Lucknow Depot 1 of 19.87 crore. The average same-day dispatch efficiency percentage is up to 95% by our depots. Efforts to cater fresh stocks in trade. Here is the detailed chart for freshness of build stock percentage by each depot. 90% of our DCs have maintained zero expiry in the financial year 2018-2019. In order to prevent old coded stocks at DCs, in all our depot, we use bin cards for fast and better traceability. We use red and green tags marked with months to maintain the FIFO system. Old coded stock are written on whiteboard in each depot and are reported to concerned LE, ASM, DSM. All depots maintain a proper communication channel to inform respective logistic department for excess stock against our IP. The spoiled stock lifting chart of each depot is as follows, with time frame for settlement of CN in between 30 days. The service of modern trade of Lucknow Depot 1 is 95%. We proudly announce the zero detention of following depot with highest months of zero detention by Jagdishpur Depot. In order to avoid detention charges, we engage in early unloading by providing labor and supervisor stay in depot and shift-wise labor working on rotational basis. Service to general trade. Order versus dispatches and efforts. We present in front of you the detailed sheet of the following. For GT Wholesaler, each depot we maintain a daily dispatch register on each depot and max POB dispatches. Each depot takes initiative with small trucks Tata 407 to serve wholesaler. Each depot takes initiative for liquidation of priority products. We take top priority to fulfill the demand of snacks for each wholesaler. We have special arrangement of small trucks to dispatch snacks on same day for wholesalers. For better infrastructure development done in DC, new vehicles have been introduced and increased conversion from open to closed vehicles. Our all depot are technically advanced with GPS installed vehicles and CCTV surveillance. Depots have added trolleys, conveyor, gravity conveyor. We maintain proper hygiene with proper training of staff and cleaning. Cross-check and regular inspection by concerned depot staff. Each depot team are like one family where proper medical checkup, incentives, regular salary increment and financial support are provided from time to time. At the end of this presentation, we would like to say that Parle is our family. We continue to grow like a family with our efforts and dedication for our Parle family, and we thank Parle Corporate Office, management team, logistics team and fellow colleagues for being with us under one roof of Parle. We thank you all once again with a promise to dedicate our life to fulfill the vision of Mr. Mohan Lal Dayal.